Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is B's Global Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make pizza from scratch. Here are all the ingredients I will be using for the pizza base. First and foremost, I have 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon yeast, half teaspoon of salt. I have 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I will go ahead and mix everything together in this pot right here. Let's get this going. Firstly, you want to put all your dried or powdered stuff together. Give it a good mix before you go in with your oil and warm water. Here you add your water. Guys, make sure you're being careful when you're adding your water to your mix. Do it little by little and then give it a mix, and you go in again with extra water and you give it a mix until you think it's good for you, because you do not want it to become too soft. After giving it a good mix, you want to knead with your hand on your chopping board. Just remember to add enough flour on your chopping board and your hand, because you don't want to give yourself a hard time. If you don't have enough flour, it's going to keep getting stuck on your chopping board and your hand. After doing that, you want to set it aside for 30 minutes for the yeast to do its job. And what I mean by that is the yeast is going to help it to rise. As mentioned earlier, guys, I'm going to set this aside for 30 minutes. So our 30 minutes is up and this is how it's looking. It's looking great. I'll just now bring it out and give it a stretch onto my pizza plate. So this is how it's looking now. I'm going to pop this in the oven on a 180 degrees Celsius for just about 2 minutes. I usually like to cook my base a bit before I put the whole pizza in. This is to give the base more time to cook. Here I have salami sausage, some cooked chicken. I have my ketchup with a bit of stew mixed together. I have my cheese, some bell peppers and onions, and lastly I have some mushrooms. Guys, remember that mushrooms here is totally optional. It's entirely up to you. I had these mushrooms in my fridge, did not want it to go waste, so I decided to add it. So my pizza base is ready. I'll finally add my toppings. So this is how it's looking now. I'm going to pop this in the oven for just 10 minutes on a 180 degrees Celsius. Yes, guys, I'm making it 10 minutes because I've already partially cooked my base. I did not want my ingredients to overcook as well because they've all been cooked on the side. So this is how my pizza is looking after 10 minutes. Looking really delicious, really cheesy. Guys, remember to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It looks amazing. It looks yummy. And let me know what other meal you want me to prepare or you want to see in my videos. Guys, I cannot wait to taste this. So I have to say bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.